Your top qualifier from Potomac Valley, Eli Fouts. Lane 5 of Metro, Evan Zhang. Lane 6 of Virginia Swimming, Caleb Amon. Lane 7 of Potomac Valley, Kyle Barker. Lane 8 from Virginia Swimming, Bill Costin. This is the finals of the men 13-14 100-meter breaststroke. Your meet records of 106.37, Mr. Starter. Here we go, 1:17.46, your fastest time this morning. Your meet records are 106.37. Too close to call with 10 meters to go. Lane 4. Nice swim out there. Eli Fouts out of Potomac Valley. Touches in at a 107.31.